It's early evening at a neighborhood hardware store just before closing time. Ethan stops by to buy supplies for a small apartment project he's been putting off. In the paint aisle, he meets Rosa, a practical and thoughtful woman comparing color samples for her own home.
Excuse me, sorry, do you mind if I grab one of those sample cards?
Not at all. I think I've been blocking this whole section without noticing.
It happens. There are way too many choices here. I've been staring at these for 10 minutes.
Same. I came in confident, and now I'm completely unsure.
What are you painting?
My kitchen. I thought it would be simple, but apparently there are 50 kinds of white.
That's the worst part. They all look the same until you bring them home.
Exactly. Then suddenly one is too cold, one is too yellow, and one just feels wrong.
I'm dealing with that right now. I just want something calm for my bedroom.
Bedrooms should feel calm. That's important.
You sound like you've done this before.
A few times. I used to work in interior design a long time ago.
Oh wow, really? Then I'm clearly standing next to the right person.
I don't know about that. Trends change, but basics stay the same.
I'm Ethan, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ethan. I'm Rosa.
So interior design, do you miss it?
Sometimes. I liked helping people feel comfortable in their space, but it was stressful too. Deadlines, opinions, budget limits.
I can imagine. Everyone has strong feelings about colors.
Very strong. You'd be surprised how emotional people get over beige.
I'm already emotional and I haven't even picked a color.
Then let's fix that. What kind of light does your bedroom get?
Mostly morning light. Big window, but only on one side.
That helps. Softer colors work well there. Nothing too dark.
That narrows it down a little.
See? Progress already.
How do you usually decide? Is there a trick?
I imagine how I want to feel in the room. Rested, focused, warm, energized. Color supports that feeling.
That's a good way to think about it.
What do you want your bedroom to feel like?
Quiet. Like I can finally turn my brain off.
Then stay away from anything too bright or trendy. Those shout for attention.
My brain already does enough shouting.
Exactly. Soft blues, gentle greens, or warm gray can help.
I was leaning toward gray, but I was worried it might feel boring.
Boring can be good. Boring means peaceful sometimes.
I never thought of it that way.
People confuse calm with boring. They're not the same.
That makes me feel better about my choice.
Good. And remember, you'll add personality with furniture and light.
True. Paint doesn't have to do all the work.
What do you do for work, Ethan?
IT support, so I spend most of my day fixing problems on screens.
Then having a calm physical space at home is even more important.
Yeah, after work, I don't want to think anymore.
That's reasonable. When I was working full-time, my home was my reset button.
What do you do now?
I teach part-time at a community center, basic design classes, nothing intense.
That sounds nice.
It is. I like seeing people gain confidence, especially when they realize they can trust their taste.
I could use some of that confidence right now.
You'll get there. You're already asking the right questions.
Thanks. That means a lot coming from someone with experience.
Experience just means I've made every mistake already.
That's comforting. So which one are you leaning toward now? This one. It says soft stone.
Good choice. Neutral, warm, and forgiving in different light.
Forgiving sounds perfect.
I think I'll go with this one. You've officially saved me from paint paralysis.
Happy to help. I'm glad I could use my old skills again.
What about you? Did you decide for your kitchen?
I did. I'm choosing a warm white. Simple, but it'll make the space feel open.
Sounds like you know exactly what you want.
Now, yes. 30 minutes ago, no.
I'm glad I wasn't the only one struggling.
Not at all.
Decision-making gets harder when you care.
That's true. Thanks for taking the time to help a stranger.
You're welcome. These small conversations are nice. They break the routine.
They really do. This trip turned out better than I expected.
Mine too. I almost didn't come tonight.
I'm glad you did.
Me too. Well, I should grab my paint before they close.
Same here.
Good luck with your bedroom, Ethan. I hope it becomes the calm space you want.
Thanks, Rosa, and good luck with your kitchen.
Enjoy the process.
I'll try.
Take care.
You too.